We call it HRV for short.
HRV. Okay.
Yes, it can recover energy from indoor stay air, and preheat or pre-cool the supply air.
Okay.
Meanwhile, if indoor air temperature not match our setting, the compressor will turn on to continue heat or pre-cool the air.
Okay, it sounds awesome.
Yes.
It combines the functions of the heat recovery ventilator and the air conditioner.
Yes, that's it. But the difference is that air conditioner handles the indoor air. Yes. The room air can be adjusted to the setting temperature. For example, we want in hot summer, we want the indoor air 25 degree.
25.
Yes, then we set it 25 and we can feel exactly 25 degree. We feel very comfortable.
Yes.
While our heat pump heat recovery ventilator, they only handles the fresh air only.
What does it mean? You mean, okay, can you explain more clearly?
Yes. First, the indoor air and outdoor air, they will exchange heat.
Heat.
Yes, just like the heat recovery ventilator.
Okay.
Then the fresh air will be preheat or pre-cool, This is the first stage of energy recovery. So, but it's not enough. After that, before the fresh air enters the room, the heat pump system will continue to heat or pre-cool the air to make it more close to our setting temperature. This is the second heat recovery ventilator. Heat pump system is just like a small air conditioner to pre-cool or preheat the fresh air to make it more close to the desired temperature. But it cannot ensure exactly the same temperature as we want,
Okay, so let me explain what I understand. So when the outdoor air enter the heat recovery ventilators, it will have some heat recovery with the fresh air, and then it will enter the coil with the compressor. Yes.
Actually,
and then do some heat or cool. It have some. I have this function, but it's not enough power, like the air conditioner, right?
Actually, we have, as we mentioned just now, we have two-stage air heat recovery. The first stage is we use the heat exchanger to reduce energy. The outdoor air and indoor stay air, they will pass the heat exchanger and then recover the energy.
Okay, I see.
But the humidity level,